In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download videos from Google Drive. This process is simple and quick, so let's get started. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any browser you feel comfortable using. Once you have it open, go to the search bar and type in Google Drive and hit Enter. What you're looking for is the Google Drive official link. It's usually the first result or the one with the URL drive, google.com. Click on that link to proceed. If you're not already logged in, Google Drive may prompt you to sign in. Typically, if you're using a device that you regularly use, it should automatically log you in with your existing Google account. However, if not, just enter your email and password to access your drive. Now that you're in, the next step is to find the videos you want to download. Navigate through your folders or use the search bar within Google Drive to locate the specific videos you want. Take your time to ensure you have identified all the files you wish to download. To download multiple videos, you have a couple of options. You can either click and drag your mouse to select a group of files, or hold the Ctrl key and click on each video individually. Both methods allow you to select multiple files at once, making it a bit quicker and easier if you have numerous videos to download. With all your desired videos selected, look for the download icon in the top panel of Google Drive. It should be near the Share and Move icons. Once you have located it, click on the download icon. This action will initiate the creation of a zip file, which will bundle all your selected videos into one single compressed file. This is Google Drive's way of making the download process more efficient, particularly when dealing with multiple files. The download will start, and depending on the size and your internet speed, this might take a little while. Keep an eye on your download progress if you wish, or simply wait for your browser to notify you once it's complete. And there you have it. The videos will be downloaded to your device within the zip file. Simply locate this file in your Downloads folder, and you can extract its contents to access your videos. And there you have it, a straightforward method to download videos from Google Drive quickly and efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.